Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So you want to go AFK or away from keyboard in Roblox without getting kicked out from the server. You came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. If that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and search for this app named Auto Clicker. You find lots of apps like that. Let's install this one. As you can see, I have already installed it. So let's go ahead and open this app and see how can you use it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and here it is. It's gonna look like this. First, tap on OK and give permissions to this app. Tap on downloaded apps, tap on auto clicker, and then enable the first toggle right here. It should be turned off by default. Just turn it on from here. Once you're done, you can go back to the app and you can use it now. So first, it's very simple. Just tap on enable, the first one at the top. You get these two buttons in the screen. Once you do that, just go ahead and quit from this app completely. Now let's go ahead and open Roblox. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and wait for the app to fully load up. Open the server that you want to be AFK in without getting kicked out. I'm gonna use Please Donate, as you can see, guys. Again, we wait for the server to fully load up. And here it is loading up. Now from here, let's drag this circle, this blue circle, to the jump button that should be at the bottom right corner, right here, guys. Once you do that, simply tap on this triangle. It is the start button. Once you tap there, the app will be generating jumps or clicks on the jump button automatically, and you will never get kicked out of the server like this, guys. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.